It is also possible to combine 2 or more Bible verses. You do this by selecting the verses you want to combine. Then click the button and your new verse will appear in the table named Combined. In this table, you can collect a number of longer verses, which then can be used to create word search puzzles in the same manner as previously explained. In the main menu, you make sure you select the table named Combined before you start generating the puzzles with longer verses. So when you have created several combined verses from your Bible book, then it is possible to save these verses to your computer. You can save a variety of verses, perhaps of a certain theme or specific Bible book. You then may delete these combined verses from the table, for example, when you start a new project. When you need these specific verses at a later stage, it is easy to import them again. What makes saving these combined Bible verses so interesting is that you can use them for a different Bible translation. Here's how you do this. After saving the Bible verses, you then select another Bible translation. In this example, we select a Spanish translation to replace the English one. You then import the Bible verse combination you have previously saved. As you can see, the same verse appears again, but this time in Spanish. With this method, you can use the same popular Bible verses to create puzzle books in different languages.